Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application. And of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. After that, you need to scroll down, and right here in the accessibility we have voice prompt settings. Tap at this line also, and right here we have the language. So it offers only 4 languages for us: English, Japanese, German and Chinese. Select the best one for you. Let's say I want Germany, so I click at this line, then continue. Now don't disconnect your earbuds, don't use them, and keep it close to your phone. After that, just wait until this update finished. And also I recommended to remove it from the charging case, or at least do not close the case. If you put them to the charging case, don't close this case. Now we need to wait, so I'm going to speed up it for you, and then I will show you successful update. Okay, we finished, and now I wanna check in the Bluetooth if it's still connected, because sometimes it happened with the earbuds that after that it will disconnect. But we did it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!